Thank you so much. Hi! Let you guys know this first song po, nakakantahin ko para po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Once again, magandang event. Of course, ayun. Siyempre, nakakapela natin. So, this is how it goes, diba? I'm just gonna hold this the whole time. Thank you so much. Dagan salamat. Do you know the song? It's okay. I think more than singing, ang Pilipino ay known for being sobrang game and very, di ba, hindi nahihiya. I'd like to challenge you to You can what? You can sing? Oh, but it's okay. Oh, thank you so much. Who is down to take on the golden challenge? Hello po, tita. Hindi tayo kata ka muna. Sige, ikaw na lang po. Okay lang. But basically, What's your name, ate? Belle from Cool Jets Band. Represent sa Pilipinas po ng Sandra. Manila. Hello, Cebu City. Okay. Represent. Thank you, ate. Pero, of course, there's a part 2 coming to this, well,
I love
sequel.
you!
If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm talking about
Morissette,
Wicked.
I love you.
And I am such a big fan. Well, first of all, I am a big fan of the musical, but also I'm such a big fan of Ariana Grande
I love
and
you.
Cynthia Erivo. Mainstream and theater, tapos nagsama sila sa And so basically, I would like to sing this song and it is a special request. Ate Rosary, this is for you. And this is for you guys mga kapamilya. Sana po ay, itong kantang to ay mag-serve po as inspiration po para pagpatuloy po lahat po na pinagdadaanan po natin dito. And may it continue to lift us all and just inspire all of us to continue to defy gravity. This is for all of you guys. Thank you so much. I'll start here and then I'll go back. Kasi Andrew sa mga sa likod. Half of everyone, of course, sa TFC, sa Mix, sa ABS-CBN, sa ASAP, maraming salamat po at saludo po kami sa inyo. Mabuhay po. This last song that I'd like to share, we got a whole lot of surprises for the rest of the day, but this next one, sana po magustuhan niyo po, and I hope to invite all of you to sing with me on this next one. Thank you so much. Dagang salamat. Have a great afternoon and a great event, everybody. Thank you so much.
I love you, Morissette.
Thank you so much. Happy 30th to TFC. Thank you.
Yun. Ganun ba yun?
Yes. And then we will choose from the audience. And then, ang gagawin ni Jet is siya ang magiging judge. Sino ready dito?
Ilan ba? Ilan? Tatlo?
Tatlo.
We need 3. 3 volunteers.
Sino gusto mag-volunteer?
Gusto ko yung hindi lang magaling kumanta. Gusto ko yung confident na confident.
Yes! We need energy! We need your energy!
Ha? From this side. Can you get one from this side? Yung mahilig kumanta. Can you bring somebody? Yeah?
Okay. Meron po ba tayo dito?
Yung naka?
Yo!
Ayan siya yung naka-blue daw, naka-blue hat.
Blue hat!
Yeah!
Come on, stage!
Come on stage, ayan.
Ayan, we need you one.
Can we help her? Can somebody bring her here on stage?
Can you assist?
Yeah?
The one wearing blue hat? Someone over on stage? Sino dito ang there?
Dito.
Go! Galingan mo! Galingan mo!
Ito may tinuturo sila dito.